Hey everybody, Josh with JDS Sign Supply, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about shop organization. So we have a couple options to help keep things organized for you. Our first option is this WR20. So this media rack mounts directly on the wall. It can handle 3-inch cores and anything from 15-inch to up to 30 inches wide. You don't want anything any longer or wider sticking out from the wall. If you have more than 20 rolls, like that WR20 handles, you want to go to our FR44. This stands over 6 feet tall, holds 44 rolls, and is made of a nice strong steel square tube construction. For rolls longer than 30 inch, where those two can handle, you need our MR16R, which is our rolling media rack, which allows you to move that banner material or other self-adhesive films that are in that 48, 54, or 60 inch width around and get them out of the way when you don't need them where they're at, and you don't have to haul each one individually. For more information about these media racks, call us today or check us out online at JDSSignSupply.com. Thanks for watching.